Hello everybody, it's your boy Alex filming on the GoPro. Back at Job Corps again. Hope you're having a great day. My name is Alex. If you haven't been to my YouTube channel, welcome to it. And I'm gonna start off with saying we're doing another taste test. And this is 32 fluid ounces. It's Hawaiian Punch. Hawaiian Punch what? Lemon berry squeeze. Lemon and berry flavored juice drink. See? Right there. Right there. And we're gonna drink it. Maybe not all of it. I'll save some for later. But I'll rate it. Oh, am I gonna open it? Okay, good. Open it. Open it. Got it. You got it. Okay, good. That's sour. 40 calories per 8 fluid servings. So 8, 16, 24, 32. So 8 fluid servings. So 40 times 8, 320 calories. I think that's right. I think that's right, yeah. Sorry for that noise. I think it's the washer machine going. So I'm back, guys, on the GoPro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like taste tests. Excellent source of vitamin C. Oh, so they're making it healthy now. And then I like Hawaiian Punch Original. This is a lemon berry squeeze. Right there, says it. But you know what? It's actually like a 9 out of 10. Despite its sourness, I'm starting to dislike sour stuff in general. But it's fun. Yummy. Oh, this is very good. I can taste the lemon, I can taste the berry, and that is always a good thing in a drink. You can't taste, if you taste the majority of one flavor but not the other, like berry squeeze, like lemon and berry. If you can't taste the berry but taste the lemonade, or lemon, then something's off with the product. And at the super trooper, let you're gonna find me like the sun, falling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Tonight the super trooper lights are gonna blind me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. Sorry, I love that song. I just learned it a couple days ago. Like 2 days ago. The hell's going on upstairs? Oh, because I was drinking the whole entire thing. Eventually, let's do half, but obviously I didn't do that. Excuse me. I moved dorms. I moved rooms. Sorry, not dorms. Rooms. What are these heaters showing here? That looks brand new. What kind of heaters? That'd be nice. Put in the hallway to let freaking. Let me put my shoe on. Hold on. Tonight the super trooper light to find me blind, shine like the sun, smiling in heaven, feeling like a number one. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Alex out.